Today I will attempt to cook beef bourguignon. It is a classic French dish. Basically, it's beef cooked with red wine. So here we go. We have 3 kilos of beef here that I marinated overnight in wine with a little bit of salt and pepper, garlic. First, I am going to sear the meat. I'm trying to get the meat nice and brown. I like to have a little fat on them. Look at this. A little salt. A little pepper. A little thyme. And we'll let her rip. It is time for another glass of wine over here. All this cooking is making me really, really thirsty. Salute. I am getting the big pot warm and nice. I'll put some olive oil in here. And I am just gonna dunk all of this beef that already brown, nice and brown. 3 kilos of glorious beef. I am just gonna pour all of the wine that we have over here. Okay. Here we have some beef stock, so I'm gonna pour it in here. A little more beef stock over here. Time for another sip of wine. I'm drinking a rosé. All right, add to the leek. Next is the potato. Just keep it real simple. And once again, you can cut them big, small. I like them a little chunky. I like them a little chunky like this. But once again, there's no right or wrong way of doing this. Boy, the sucker is starchy. We are ready with a vegetable. Look at that, look at that. All right, and this is classic and the secret seasoning. So in Vietnam, we use this for everything. We use it for soup, for beef, for chicken, for eggs. Those, the secret sauce. Now you guys know. Hot, 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 hot. Hot. This is the end product. After 2.5 hours on the stove, I will give it a taste test. We have some basil on there, carrots, potato, and the beef, and the sauce. I have to say it smells quite nice right now. Here we go. I will give it a test.
I like it. I like it. It tastes just right for me, not too salty. It has a flavor of everything in it. Beef, tomatoes, potatoes, carrot, and all the spices. So I think I did okay. I hope my friends will enjoy it this afternoon. Goodbye for now. Gracias. And if you like the video, please smack the like button. And if you don't, please also smack the like button. Thank you for watching. Until the next video.